Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into something really cool, how to create your own AI action figures using ChatGPT. Whether you're into collecting action figures or just curious about AI, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. This is where we'll interact with ChatGPT to design our action figure. Step 2. Once on the site, click on Start Chatting and enter your prompt. For example, you can say, create an AI action figure of a futuristic superhero. Step 3. ChatGPT will then generate a description based on your prompt. You can specify details like the hero's costume, superpowers, or even their backstory. Feel free to get creative. Step 4. ChatGPT will provide a text description of your AI action figure. Copy and paste this description into a text editor for later use. Step 5. Now, let's bring our AI action figure to life visually. You can use online tools or graphic design software to create a digital illustration based on the description provided by ChatGPT. Step 6. Customize the appearance of your AI action figure using colors, shapes, and other visual elements. This is where your creativity can shine. Step 7. Once you're happy with the design, save your AI action figure as an image file on your computer. Step 8. Share your creation. You can post it on social media, use it in digital projects, or even print it out as a poster. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your very own AI action figure created with ChatGPT. It's amazing what AI can do, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting tech tips and tricks. Stay creative, and goodbye for now.